Let's explore how generative AI works and discover the fascinating process behind machine creativity. 3 key elements make generative AI possible: data as the foundation, patterns as the discovery method, and creativity as the ultimate goal. Generative AI learns from diverse data sources including pictures, text, music, and videos to build its understanding. The AI follows a clear sequence: first collecting data, then recognizing patterns, and finally developing its learning process. When studying poems, AI identifies specific elements like rhythm, rhymes, and structure to understand poetic patterns. Pattern recognition helps AI understand various features from lines and rhyming words in text to shapes and colors in images. Neural networks serve as the brain of AI, processing information like our own minds. Neural networks are designed to mimic how the human brain processes and learns information. Each neural network contains thousands of nodes that work together to process information. More practice directly leads to greater accuracy as the AI refines its abilities. AI creates new content by combining learned patterns with fresh approaches to produce original material. When generating a futuristic city, AI applies its knowledge of colors and shapes to create something new. AI improves through cycles of initial results, receiving feedback, making adjustments, and achieving better performance. Let's see how this works with a practical example using Arabic poetry generation. AI learns rhythm patterns by studying Arabic poetry, famous works, and different poetic styles together. The AI can generate original poems about love or heritage based on its learned patterns. Artists, students, designers, and engineers all benefit from AI's creative support in their work. AI applications include book writing, logo design, video generation, and creating educational content. Generative AI works by studying large amounts of data, spotting patterns, using neural networks to learn, creating new content, and improving through feedback. AI thinking mirrors human thinking in creativity and learning, but operates much faster than we do.